Assembling your KitchenAid food processor for all models that include a 2-in-1 food pusher. These instructions apply to the 7-cup food processor, the 7-cup food processor with exact slice system, and the 14-cup food processor with commercial-style dicing kit. Before using your food processor for the first time, wash all parts and accessories by hand or in the top rack of your dishwasher. Place the work bowl on the food processor base and align the raised locking element with the indentation on the base. Turn the work bowl counterclockwise until it locks into place. Pick the accessory you would like to use and install it using the instructions provided in the use and care guide specific to your food processor model. Once your preferred accessory is secured, place the lid onto the work bowl with the 2-in-1 feed tube positioned to the left of the handle. Turn the lid to the right until it locks into place, then fit the food pusher into the feed tube. If your food processor won't start, make sure the work bowl and lid are locked into place, checking that the lid is securely locked into the work bowl and the handle. Your food processor is now ready to create all your favorite dishes.
Variety is the slice of life. With an adjustable slicer, shredder, S-blade and dough blade, the Breville Sous Chef 12 gives professional food prep results in seconds. Let's see it in action. Speed of a food processor combined with the precision of a professional chef. The Sous Chef 12, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville. Introducing the Breville Sous Chef, the all-in-one kitchen workhorse. The 5.5-inch super wide chute is about 3 times larger than standard food processors. The mini bowl sits inside the extra large 16-cup processing bowl. Whenever you use any of the discs, make sure the spindle is in the correct position. The adjustable slicer should always be in the storage position when not using it, and it'll conceal the blade. This is the first adjustable slicer to have the versatility of 24 thickness control settings. The 0 setting slices super fine at 0.33mm slices to a thick 8mm slice on 8. When you're slicing, check to make sure that the blade is at the 12 o'clock position, as you don't want it directly beneath the chute. The small chute is ideal for carrots or leeks when you don't need a push-up. The store, there's a retractable cord that neatly sits in the heavy-duty die-cast base, and you can lock the box and store it on its side. The Sous Chef, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
The Cuisinart is a powerful 14-cup food processor that achieves near-perfect results for a wide range of food applications. Design-wise, this food processor is made from premium quality plastic, which ensures that it's sturdy and will last for years. It sports a brushed stainless steel finish that highlights its design. It's available on the market in various colour options like black, silver, red, copper and stainless steel white. The Cuisinart is also designed to puree foods like a blender. It performs admirably. It won't crush ice for smoothies or achieve smooth liquid textures with the same efficiency as a blender, but it works quite well for textured purees like salsas, dressings and pasta sauces. It's worth noting that all removable parts are dishwasher safe, which means that it's super easy to clean. Furthermore, users claim that they are enjoying the capacity of this food processor. It made it easy to make 2 batches of most things in one go, saving time and washing up. Overall, if you use food processors on a regular basis, this is a great unit. It's fantastic for families and those who entertain a lot, but can also work well for couples or single people because it handles small portions of food just as well as it does large portions. To conclude, the Cuisinart 14 Cup deserves your attention because it offers a great value for its price tag, so you won't have to spend a fortune in order to get such a quality processor for your home.
Hi, I'm Renata for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Stack & Snap food processor. Assembling traditional food processors can be time-consuming and frustrating. The pieces have to be lined up just right, and the twisting and locking can be difficult, if not impossible. Sometimes it takes longer to assemble than it does to actually process the food. That's what makes the Stack & Snap food processor so handy. It assembles in seconds without twisting or locking. The bowl and lid are specially designed to stack only one way for foolproof assembly, and the simple clips lock the lid in place for safe operation. A simple function guide shows you which blade to use and which button to press. The big mouth feed tube reduces the need to cut up ingredients beforehand, which saves even more time. With a sealed bowl, powerful 450-watt motor, a dishwasher-safe blade, discs, bowl, and lid, this food processor is smartly designed with convenience in mind. You'll be all set to mix, chop, slice, and shred with ease with the Stack & Snap food processor from Hamilton Beach. Now that's good thinking.